Hey everybody, welcome back to Savvy Guy. Today we're going to do chicken wings, not just any old chicken wings. We're going to smoke them on the Pit Boss, which has turned out to be a fan favorite. I've got 3 packs of about 2.5 to 3 pound winglets. So I'm going to parboil these on the oven in the big old pot for about 6 minutes. It gets rid of that lovely red color when you bite down and you see the bone and there's the pink that's kind of a turn off. So if you parboil, that takes care of that issue. And then we'll put our Savvy Guy rub on them, throw them on the Pit Boss for 40 minutes at about 375. And we'll bring them in and give them a little toss in our favorite sauces. Sauce is not going to be the superhero of this class. I'm going to use Buffalo Wild Wings. I'm going to use medium, and I think I have Caesar garlic as well. Because I mean, if you're making sauces, that's a whole nother time frame, which they're not hard, and I've babbled on too long. They're not hard to make. You know, if you get some Frank's hot sauce, half a stick of butter, some honey, a little bit of barbecue sauce, whip that up, you basically have medium buffalo sauce. But call it cheating, call it what you will. I got Buffalo Wild Wings medium right here. Why waste the time when they make a pretty fine sauce? The beauty is we're going to have the Savvy Guy rub on the chicken, so that's going to make all the difference in the world. So stay tuned. We'll get these parboiled and out on the smoker in no time. All 3 packs of the chicken winglets are in this too small of a pot. I misjudged. Didn't do my water placement or displacement calculations properly. But yeah, 6 minutes. We'll strain them. Get the Savvy Guy rub on. Somewhere in here. Get the Savvy Guy barbecue rub on. And then we'll get that Pit Boss rolling. I'm kind of rushing today because we're supposed to have a total downpour tomorrow. And that doesn't work well when I'm out there. So let's get it done. Okay, so we did our parboil. 6 minutes. I'm going to put on some of this Savvy Guy rub. Pit Boss is churning along, almost up to 300 degrees. We're going to get it to 350, 375. It's a little windy, so it's kind of up and down. So you definitely want to take a temperature reading before you yank the chicken off. Try to get about 165. 164 is fine. I mean, these things are so small, and by the time they're 164, they're going to be 170 before you get them in the house. So, looks like that's plenty of rub. Then I'm just going to slide these on the Pit Boss. I already panned it up out there. And let them go, like I said, for about 40 minutes. So we'll give that a shot, and like I said, take a temperature reading. Okay. Key is to get these bad boys on as fast as possible because it's about 30 degrees out tops. I'm at 380. The wind's blowing, so it's a little, like I mentioned inside, a little up and down. But let's get these on quick. Dumping the whole tray. Let's see if we can do it this way. Brilliant. Touch up here. Like I said, I panned the whole thing, so these should be sliding around nicely, which they are. See a little gap between them. Skin down, skin up. Mix it up a little bit. This one wants to dive down the hole. Nice. Beauteous. Okay. Got some good spacing there. And a couple of spots with the rub. It's losing all my heat, so let's get moving. Being a little generous. Excellent. Alright. 40 minutes, 45 maybe, because this temperature issue is going up and down. But we'll, yeah, I already took it down to 240, so you got to be careful having that lid open. We'll be back. Looks good. Sounds delicious. I don't have autofocus on, so this might get a little blurry, but so far so good. 16 minutes to go according to my timer, so I might let them go a little longer. All right. So we had success with the Pit Boss smoker, prepping those chicken wings. They were on for about 45-50 minutes at 350 was the setting, because it's, like I said, it's dead of winter. It's New Year's Eve, if anyone's keeping track. So I portioned out just 5 or 6 in here, and I switched it up. I'm going to go Asian Zing and just give it a little smattering of that and give it a toss, and then test it out for you. And I'm assuming they're fantastic. Let's make sure I don't get one on the floor. That would be a disaster, because I'll eat it. Beauteous. A little more for the heat seekers. Pour them out on this beautiful little plate here. And have a go at it. I used to be a drumstick guy, but now I love the wings. A nice twist here. Now watch, ladies. This could get... crispy, juicy. The smoker puts a skin on there almost as good as a dang fryer. It is gorgeous. Look at that. Perfect temp. These are still warm. Delicious. Check out the recipe. It's fairly simple. Follow the instructions. Put this kind of thing out for any get-together, football game, whatever's going on. Wings just ain't for football anymore. These are delicious. Enjoy, folks. Finger looking good. I'm going for it. Nice. Worth every minute. I almost forgot to get a close-up of these puppies. That's a little better. Let's see if I can do this. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Fantastic, guys.